Hi, welcome to Chris BI. My name is Chris Wagner. Today I'm going to talk about a subject that I need to get your help from. This is something that's been long. Wait, who's that? Always when you're starting to record a video. Hang on. Wait there. I'll be right back. What the? Oh my. Boom! All right, this is a Power BI Luchador. We don't need that lightweight over there. We got something serious to talk about. I want to show you something. I need your help. I need to drive up some excitement about this because we got to get this taken care of. And I'm counting on you, the Power BI community, to get out there and vote, or the Power BI Luchador is coming for you. All right, let me show you exactly what we're talking about here. Let's go check this out. All right, this has been right here. You can see it. This is something, the default slicer by time, whatever it is. This is what we're talking about here, is having a default value that could go on your slicer. This has been something that's been in the backlog for like, since, what is this? March 2015. It's been 5 years. 5 years. 5 years, and it's summoned the Power BI Luchador to bring this guy home. So I need you to get out there. I need you to vote for this thing. If you're wondering what does this thing do here, let me show you. Right now inside of Power BI, we have a ton of functionality to go in. We can click on almost anything, and we now have the ability to go into and look at, like, look at this title. I can format it. I can format this title. I can make it look however I want, but I can't select a default slicer. What is going on here? Like, I built out this great, this Power BI Luchador has built out this great report for my sales team, but I want to default this value so that when my Canadian people come in, all they see is the default value to Canada. They can go see the other things. I don't want to have row-level security on it, but I want them to always go into default. And I want to control the experience. Me, the Power BI Luchador, wants to control the experience. I don't want them to have to go to some like, oh, remember to filter on it, and then you'll have it be there. But don't forget that you have to reset those filters because blah, blah, blah. I don't want to deal with any of that stuff. I want to control that experience. I want to tell Power BI when it should be defaulting to country or when it should default to territory. Like these sales managers and these regional people that go in, they should be looking at the territory. I don't want them looking at the country. I want to control it. I'm the Power BI Luchador, and I want this happen. So to get this out there and get this into the service, I need you to go out to go out to the service and vote for this feature. This is functionality that we need to have, that needs to be in the service. It needs to get done. I need everyone to come in and bring this in. All right, so this is the Power BI Luchador talking to you from Kratos BI, where that lightweight is over there, nursing his sorry wounds. I want you, though, while he's licking his wounds, I want you to go out there and vote for this. All right, thank you very much. If you like the channel, hit that like button, subscribe to this content. If you want to see more of the Power BI Luchador, I want you to comment down below. I can bring the thunder. Thanks. Oh, and if you really want to support that lightweight over there, go over to his website. Buy him a coffee. He'll send you some of these stickers. He'll get you some of this stuff. He'll get it up and going. And you'll be rocking these stickers wherever you go, to conferences or staying at home and showing your wife that you got the sticker from this crazy guy online. You'll be able to use that and you'll be able to show off, and she'll be all impressed, or your husband, or whatever your significant other is. I don't care. I'm the Power BI Luchador. I only care about bringing home the Power BI. Peace. Oh, wait, that's his thing. So, peace.